All right, y'all. I am back with another nail video. I am going to try to be as oh my god, look at me stuttering. I'm going to try to be as consistent as I can with these videos. I'm going to be trying to post them back to back, but I don't be having space. But I just found this video on my phone somewhere. So, here I am editing it right now. She's just getting a medium tapered square. Look at how I just moved her hair. But she's getting a medium tapered square. Just a little brown set. So nothing too major. I'm gonna come with some heat soon, eventually. But yes, y'all. So right now I'm just drilling, taking the shine away from her nail right now, and I'm gonna do the next thing, to the other hand. But yeah, y'all, how did y'all like my first nail video? Like, was there any questions that y'all had? I know I didn't put this stuff in the description below, but that junk be taking so much time. So I'm going to take the time to actually type out everything and just copy and paste it and put it into this description box and then as well as the other one. But yeah, most of the stuff I'm getting from Amazon or Valentino Beauty Pure. That's really all I use. And Amazon has everything. Amazon is really your best friend. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to stop talking for a minute. I'm going to just sit back and let y'all watch. And that's it. Okay, I lied. I'm back because I just had to tell y'all about my nails. Like, they were on for at least 2 months. And when you put the rhinestones on, it get dull. So don't be coming for me in the comments because, y'all, I'm a nail tech. I could do them myself, if anything. But yeah, them bad boys hanging on and they looking crusty. All right, y'all. So here I go. I'm about to start my method. Just left, right, and then I go straight up and down after I've done all the nails like that. I don't know why I go in that order. It's just what's best for me. So yeah, I'm doing that and I'm filing and then I'm drilling and blending the natural nail and the nail tip. All right, y'all. So next I'm going in with Mia's Secret, the nail prep primer, and the extra bond. You have to use these two together. I know some people might just use the primer. I don't know. But I use the whole set, and I don't have any complaints as far as lifting. Usually my nails last for like a whole month. I have people, say like, yeah, they were good, no lifting, none of that. And yeah, so I think y'all should get this if you don't already have it. Okay, we just need to take a moment of silence for this brush. Like, y'all, it is so flat. And it works so good. But I usually have to, like, if I switch my monomers, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like it makes my brush act weird or funny. So I literally have one brush for me, a secret monomer. I have one brush for my local beauty supply store monomer, and like any other monomer, I just have to have a separate brush or my brush won't work. But this brush is so flat, and it's called like Flex Brush. I found out about it through another nail tech, a nail tech that I actually go to for my nails from time to time, and she blessed me the day that she told me about this brush. So I'm going to try to find the link because it's not really like a real page. Like, I don't know. I just ordered it. But I'm going to try to find a link for that, and I'm going to put it in the description box below. And this is a size 8, actually. So, or 10. One or the other. I'll put it all down below. But yes, y'all got to invest into this brush. And it's only like $20 cheap. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I kind of was like struggling with the acrylic. This acrylic is from Royalty. It was like some brand. Now they have cute acrylics, like, and certain ones, like, they work so good and they are so cute. But this one specifically, I just don't know what was going on. Maybe it was the monomer. I think I was using like my local beauty supply store monomer. But if you can purchase monomer from the company that you are getting your acrylic from, I think you should do so because they all like, it'll flow better. And I'm gonna share a quick story with y'all. Our heat in our building had recently went out, and that is the worst when your products are not at room temperature. That's just a little note. I had to do someone's toes, and the acrylic was just falling off her toes, y'all. It took hours to dry. Like, it took me an hour to do her toes, a full set on toes. So that's just a little reminder. Make sure all your products are at room temperature so you don't have to struggle and stress, because I was really stressing out. But yeah, this particular acrylic isn't my favorite, but that's what my client wanted. So, I just had to go ahead and do so for her. But yeah. Because of time, I am going to fast forward to the next step, which is filing. I'm not going to show y'all the other hand because when you're new to YouTube, you can only do like 15 minutes, I think. Like, as far as I know, I can only upload a video that is 15 minutes. It cannot be 15 minutes and 30 seconds. It literally has to be 15 minutes. That's the only way that YouTube will let me upload it. So I'm sorry, guys, but I'm going to have to skip to the filing. But if you have any questions, just like comment below. I'm down to help you with whatever. So I'm gonna share something with y'all. Like, something I noticed that makes my like foundation so much better, like on my work. If you file the actual nail like on top on every one, you can get like this round but flat look. I don't even know how to explain it, but when you're working on a client or even your mannequin, try filing the top, and then it may be seeming a little longer, but you still have to go around the cuticle area with the drill. But if you do this, like, your work will be so much perfect, and like you will notice the difference. Like, it just be so much better. I don't even know how to explain it. You just got to see for yourself. So next time you do a set or you're practicing by yourself or on yourself, do this and watch how your work just look 10 times better. Right, y'all, and this is the official look. It was so pretty to me. She loved her nails, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate y'all, and I will be posting more videos soon. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share for me, please. If you're sitting down watching this right now, record a video and tag my Instagram at the Acrylic Lab. I also have a tip page, so I post like where I purchase all my materials, and that's tips for nails, but there is an acceptance fee.